Welcome everyone to an introduction to neural networks. In this section of the course, we're going to have a series of lectures that will cover key theoretical topics and aspects surrounding the neural network model. That is things like neurons, perceptrons, activation functions, as well as cost functions, gradient descent, and backpropagation. Once we build a general, very high-level understanding, we're going to code out all of these topics manually with Python without the use of a deep learning library. Basically, what we're actually going to try to do is manually create a very simple version of TensorFlow. Once we've actually built this by hand manually with Python, we're going to move on to using the deep learning library for this course, TensorFlow. Understanding a high-level overview of these key elements is really going to make it much easier to understand what's happening once we begin to use TensorFlow. And TensorFlow has direct connections to these concepts in its syntax. All right, let's get started. I'll see you at the next lecture.